How to make a target chart in 60 seconds. Select the data table. Press Alt and F1 to create a chart. Delete the chart title and grid lines. Right-click the chart and select Change Chart Type. Choose Combo. Set the actual series to clustered column and the target series to line. Right-click the line and select Format Data Series. Click the Paint bucket. Choose the No Line option. Go to the Marker tab. Expand Marker Options. Choose the Built-in option. Change the type to a horizontal line. Set the line size to a number close to 30. Like and follow for daily tips.